guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl IJ again with another video. So today I have this look for you guys, and this is a lime green eyeshadow makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I achieved this look or how I got to this point, stay tuned and I'll talk to you at the end of this video. But before we jump right into it, if you're not part of the family, or if you haven't subscribed us yet and you think you want to support me in any way, you can do that by smashing on that subscription button, and do not forget to hit the bell button as well, so that when I upload you will be the first to know. Thank you so very much for your support, and I'll talk to you at the end of this video. So let's just jump right into it and get started. this is the finished look. I hope you did enjoy it, you know, and I hope you did learn something out from it. If you did enjoy the video, give me a huge thumbs up, and do not forget to leave a comment down in the comment section below. So thank you all so very much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video, or I will see you in my next video. Thank you, and stay blessed, and remember, what's the word? You are the original. Thank you. Bye.